24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Not just machining and fabricating, but repairing and reconditioning, specializing in industrial gearboxes ranging from the smallest to some of the world's largest. Our highly experienced team use cutting-edge techniques that are constantly being improved to ensure we deliver a cost-effective, quality service. In fact, our rapid response repair service is probably the fastest in the country, while our specially equipped facility and flexible working practices means we fit with every customer's needs. In short, Hayley 24/7 really is the fast, effective engineering solution.